ones at 0.5 with
0.5?
At 0.5 each.
Wow.
Two NS1s at 0.5.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah.
What's it tuned to?
It's tuned from 18 to 52.
18.
Shoot it.
Wow.
Yeah, and they're 16 momentum.
Man, that's way.
We're coming back.
How many alternators?
Dual alternators.
And these are a half alternator or one?
Half on.
Wow. What are you doing here?
I haven't got a chance to speak it at 37, but like the meter's at 37, but that's my feet.
20 hertz, 54. What was your name again?
Robert.
Robert Jacob, thank you.
Nice to meet you.
That was awesome.
Point three on.
That's nasty.
Thank you.
And that's a fourth order.
Yeah,
Jesus, what was that low note? 22, 23?
that was at 24.
24? Okay. Whew. Can I see your amps?
Yeah, sure, they out back.
Dude, that was impressive. Yeah, man.
Coca-Cola, yeah, yo, bought me everything. Yola, Yola, baking soda. Cocaine is my girl, fine. Water, ballin' water. Damn, I got a 4 girl.